And welcome to day one of my solo trip. If I look tired, it's because I am. I've been up since 5 a.m. My room is not ready. I'm at All-Star Music. It is pretty busy. The wait times don't seem bad, but there's a lot of people here. And I waited on a very long check-in line to see if I could combine two of my reservations. One was made with a travel rewards card and one was made separately. So the travel rewards card shows up as an Expedia reservation. Anyway, they were able to get me the same room for the 2 times. So that's really what I wanted, but my room is not ready yet, so I'm exhausted. I'm chilling in the food court, about to eat. And then I guess go to Disney Springs or the Boardwalk or both. I really wanted my room because I'm so tired and I just want to take a nap. But it is what it is. It's very busy. So I'm happy they at least got to give me the same room for today and tomorrow, so I don't have to switch rooms. Oh, hey guys, I'm a mess. I'm still tired. I don't have a room yet. So I'm exploring all of All-Star Music because I don't know what else to do with myself. I sat in the food court for an hour, so I'm just gonna take a walk around, take a lap, and see if the room is ready. But this is the Calypso pool. I believe this is the Calypso pool, which has, it's like the bigger pool here. So it's like right when you walk out, you come over here and you've got the huge pool. And I really like this pool because it has the 3 caballeros in the middle, which is kind of dope. Wait guys, hold the phone, or should I say, hold the xylophone. You get it, but also this thing is really, really cool. Hey, look at it. It's a giant xylophone that welcomes you into the Calypso building. Okay, now we're cutting through Jazz Inn. So the pool is behind me. And this is Jazz Inn, which is really pretty. It actually has a little bit of a Port Orleans vibe because of the jazz in New Orleans. Obviously it's not the full thing, like the full theme, but you've got this cute little fountain that is absolutely darling. I feel like I'm gonna hang out here until my room is ready, or at least I'll come back over here. It's been a really long time since I've been in this resort, and I never realized how pretty it is. It's super, super pretty in its own little way. So that's Jazz Inn, and then we're getting to the other smaller pool, which I think is the piano pool. This is a small one when you want a little bit of a quieter time. I mean, there's still plenty of people in here, but it's not as crazy as the main pool. Okay, so now the section to the right of the smaller pool is Rock Inn. So yeah, this is the piano pool, 100%. You know how I know? Because the sign says it is. And then this is the country section. So normally I've stayed in sports and movies quite a lot. It's been a number of years since I've done music, but I'm kind of feeling it, guys. I'm kind of feeling the decor. It's actually super, super neat. So we're gonna cut back this way. Don't you dare climb on these boots. These boots were not made for walking, and if they were, then they were made for a very giant person to walk, and it's really scary. Okay, so we're gonna make a U here, but kind of like how there was the little, like, slight New Orleans nod with that fountain earlier, the country section has like these little picnic tables and like a country area. So they're trying to like add a little bit, I guess, of like each design. Again, nothing crazy. This isn't all-star. It isn't like crazy theming the way that some of the moderates and deluxes are, but it's pretty cute. Okay, so to be fair, get it? Ha ha ha. I keep calling this the country section. It's called country fair. So there's like rockin', jazzin', and country fair, and then the calypso area. I think it's just called calypso. I'm doing real well here. Real knowledgeable about our all-star music. Okay, so somehow we just went from Wall Street to 34th Street. Let me tell you guys, if I walk from Wall Street to 34th Street, whew, that'd probably take me 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. Not that quick. All right, so I gave up on the room. It's like 3 o'clock? Oh no, 2:40. I was chilling around the resort for about 3 hours and it's still not ready, or at least I haven't gotten a text. Didn't really want to bug the cast members because technically check-in is at 3. I don't know why I put the quotes around 3. I meant to say check-in. 3 o'clock is still 3 o'clock. So yeah, I gave up. I just kind of rallied myself and now here we are in lovely Disney Springs. Gonna be doing some shopping, just some like hanging out. I have dinner at Paddlefish, 7:30. Was trying to move it up, but it looks like it's booked up, which I'm not surprised. Gonna still keep trying to see if I can get an earlier dinner just so I can get in bed at a decent time tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me because I definitely want to do some shopping on the trip. I feel like I never give Disney Springs enough love. I always come in here in very short bursts every trip, like I have an hour or 2 hours to be here, and I just don't spend enough time here. So I'm happy to spend a few hours here and like really take everything in and do some shopping. Do I need a stuffed dolet that smells vaguely like pineapple? Yes, I really need it. Guys, I can't. There's dolets everywhere. It's making me so happy. It's a dolet wallet. It's like they want me to spend all my money here. So the thing about World of Disney is if you don't know what you want and you don't know where you're going, you just kind of get overwhelmed with how many things there are. They actually changed stuff around. Star Wars section used to be where I'm standing. Though it looks like there's a lot of Coco stuff, which is awesome. Oh my god, I just rewatched this movie and I was just saying to Peter how I wanted him to be a stuffed animal and he is! Look at him, look at him! Oh, I wish they had a smaller version. I really want him. But they definitely made a bigger Star Wars section, I guess with the movie coming up and everything. I haven't seen where they moved the Marvel stuff. They have very little bit of that. Oh god, guys, what do I do? I kind of want Dante. You can get regular Dante, or you can get Spirit Guide Dante. I don't know. Market in Disney Springs is one of my favorite places to shop because it's got a lot of cool stuff that's very Disney, but it isn't overly Disney. They've got a pet area, they've got a home goods area, they've got a clothing area. I love shopping in here. I probably buy most of my merch. If it's not in the parks, it's in here. And so being in here is very dangerous. We shall see what my haul video looks like after being in here. hold the phone. They have Fox and the Hound merchandise. It's like 80s track jacket. Oh my god. And they have Robin Hood. But wait, can we talk about how perfect this is? Look at the back. Oh my god. That is amazing. Oh my god, they even have the muses. I can't handle it. So wait, we can have Hercules and we can have Robin Hood and we can have Pocahontas shirts, but we can't have Hunchback? I am so insulted, Disney.